Hello, in this video we will give you instructions on how to receive crypto on Binance. Easy steps to get cryptocurrency safely. First step on, you need to have an account at Binance. You can click on the registration link in the description box to get a welcome reward from Binance. Remember to click on the link in the description box to get a welcome reward up to $1,000 from Binance when you create a new account. Also, you can refer to our tutorial video with step-by-step registration guide in the description box. I posted registration link with exclusive offer as well as the video link there. To receive crypto, you need to get the Binance wallet, a cryptocurrency that you want to receive. To do this, you click on Deposit. Next, you select Deposit Crypto. Then, you select the coin here. This means the cryptocurrency that you want to receive. For example, I select USDT. Next, you select the network. Click on this one, then you will see the available networks for USDT cryptocurrency. For example, I select BXC. Binance will charge different fees for different cryptocurrencies and network. So you can visit this link to see the fees of cryptocurrency and network you choose here. Enter the cryptocurrency into this search box. For example, I enter USDT. Then scroll down. You will see USDT currency with different networks and the fee here. The one I choose is BNB Smart Chain or BXC. The fee here is 0 for both deposit fee and withdrawal fee. This means it's free. Back to deposit crypto interface here. After you select coin and network, deposit address will be generated automatically here. You can click on more details to see more details. Next, you click here to copy this address and send it to the person that will send crypto to you. Or you can send screenshot of this QR code. Remember to send the currency and network too, so that person can select the right currency and network when they send crypto to you. After receiving an evidence shows that the crypto is sent, an evidence can be a screenshot of transaction like this. Depending on the cryptocurrency and the network you choose, it will take several minutes, often 5 to 10 minutes, to receive the crypto. You back to the dashboard. Then you will see the estimated balance here. Also, launching the Gmail that you use to create an account at Binance. Then you will see an email inform that the deposit is confirmed, like this. Click on Visit Your Dashboard. You can see the estimated balance here. Alright, we have just given you instructions on how to receive crypto on Binance with easy steps to get cryptocurrency safely. You can subscribe our channel to get notification of other useful videos. Thank you very much for your time. See you in the next video.